Hey everyone, if you're experiencing low FPS or stuttering while gaming, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through several steps you can take to boost your Windows PC's performance and improve your FPS. Let's get right into it. Open your Start menu, search for Settings, and click the Settings icon. In the left sidebar, select System and then go to Display. Scroll all the way down to the Graphics section and click Change Default Graphics Settings. Make sure Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling is enabled. This feature reduces CPU load, reducing latency and boosting performance. You can also enable optimizations for windowed games below. Now, go to the Accessibility tab on the left and scroll down to the Mouse section. Click on Additional Mouse Settings. In the Pointer Options tab, make sure to uncheck Enhance Pointer Precision. This can negatively affect gaming accuracy. Hit Apply and OK. Next, search for Run from the Start menu and type in System Preparation. Press Enter in the Performance section. Click Settings and select Custom. Enable only the options shown on the screen. Animations in the taskbar. Save taskbar thumbnail previews. Show thumbnails instead of icons. Show window contents while dragging and smooth edges of screen fonts. Leave the rest unchecked. Next, go to the Advanced tab and in the Virtual Memory section, click Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size and select Custom Size. You'll need to convert your RAM into megabytes. For example, for gigabytes of RAM is 4,096 megabytes, and you'll multiply that by 8,192 megabytes. Enter this value in both the initial size and maximum size fields. Go back to the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and click on it. Go to Power Options and select High Performance. Now, go back to the Start menu and search for Run, type misconfig and press Enter. In the Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services and click Disable All. In the Startup tab, click Open Task Manager. Disable any unnecessary applications from the list of startup programs. Open the Start menu again, search for Run, and type Temp, then press Enter. Select all items Ctrl+A, right-click, and choose Delete. If prompted, click Do this for all current items and then Continue. Repeat this for the %temp% folder by typing %temp% into the Run box and following the same steps to delete the files. Search for Add or Remove programs in the Start menu. Sort by size largest to smallest, and uninstall any programs you no longer use. Next, search for Registry Editor in the Start menu and open it. Before making changes, it's always a good idea to back up your registry. Go to File and select Export. Name the backup file and save it. Now navigate to hey_current_user gives system gives gammaconfig store. Double-click gammadver_enabled and change the value from 1 to 0. Double-click gammadver_fse behavior mode and change the value from 0 to 2. Then go to HKEY_local_machine gives software gives Microsoft gives policy manager gives default gives application management gives allowgemeter. Change the value from 1 to 0. Open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and select it. Under Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. If you're unsure if you're running the latest drivers, you can also visit the official website of your graphics card, for example, nvidia.com for NVIDIA cards to download the latest updates. Once all of these steps are complete, I recommend restarting your computer for the changes to take effect.